Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Fiverr seller account and creating your first gig in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Sign up on Fiverr. To get started, visit the Fiverr website. Click on the Join button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you've registered, verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Complete your profile. After verification, log into your Fiverr account and navigate to your profile. Click on the Profile tab to fill in the necessary details. Add a professional profile picture, a catchy username, and write a compelling bio that showcases your skills and expertise. Don't forget to specify your languages and skills to attract potential buyers. Step 3. Set up your seller account. Once your profile is complete, go to the Switch to Selling option. Follow the prompts to set up your seller account. You'll need to fill out some additional information about your skills, experiences, and services you intend to offer. Be as detailed as possible to help buyers understand what you bring to the table. Step 4. Create your first gig. Now it's time to create your first gig. Click on the Selling tab and select Gigs. Then click the Create a New Gig button. Here's how to fill it out. Gig title. Write a clear and engaging title that describes your service. Category and subcategory. Choose the appropriate category and subcategory for your gig. Gig packages. Define your service packages, basic, standard, premium, and set your prices. Description. Write a thorough description of what you're offering and what makes your gig unique. Be sure to highlight any special skills or qualifications. Search tags. Add relevant keywords that buyers might use to find your service. Step 5. Add visuals. Upload high-quality images or videos that represent your gig. This could include samples of your previous work or an introductory video of yourself explaining your services. Visuals play a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Step 6. Set delivery time and revisions. Specify the delivery time for your service and how many revisions you are willing to offer. Ensure that your delivery time is realistic so that you can meet the expectations of your buyers. Step 7. Publish your gig. Once all sections are filled out and you're satisfied with the details, click on the Publish button. Your gig will be live, and potential buyers will be able to find and order your services. Final steps. Promote your gig. Consider sharing your gig on social media platforms or within relevant online communities to increase visibility. Engaging with your audience and responding to inquiries promptly can lead to more sales. Don't forget to check your Fiverr account regularly for messages and orders. Enjoy the journey of being a seller on Fiverr. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!